Okay guys, we are going to quickly look at how to achieve a square toe sew as requested by one of us. Okay, so now what you will need is a round sew like this one, already made toe that have a round toe. So we will be tracing this sew to our paper, alright, just as I've done already. So the next thing we are going to do is use our ruler to draw a straight line at the tip of the sew. That's our drawing here. Just draw a straight, make sure that it's straight. Draw a straight line like so. Now the next thing we are going to do is getting a straight line from this other end, that's from the inner part of the sew like this, and draw a straight line to meet the first line we drew. And from this outer part of it we draw a straight line meeting the same straight line we draw from the tip. Okay, so you can actually leave this like this if you want, but I will quickly adjust mine because I don't want it to be wide. So after drawing this, all you have to do is just to shape the kind of curve it inwardly like this, not having it to have a sharp end. So I'll just freehand and curve it like so. All right, so this is actually how you want it to be. You can make it wider, you can make it more thinner. So after you have achieved the tip, go ahead and make sure that the lines are all even. If it's not, just keep adjusting it till you get exactly what you want. It's not as difficult as it looks. Okay, so let me quickly clean off all the previous lines that I drew. So here I will just keep adjusting these lines like this, making sure that I get the shape the way I want it. Okay, so after this is just to cut it out. So just as I said earlier, you keep adjusting till you get what you want. I don't want mine to be wide. You can make yours to be wide, you can make it to be more thinner than my own. Okay, so this is what we have. So after you are done or you are satisfied with what you have here, all you have to do is go ahead and cut it out. So like I said earlier, you can adjust here inwardly, just here inwardly, however you want it to be. If you want it wider, you can still expand it. Okay, so let's quickly cut it into shape. All right, so gradually do this, making sure that you just cut according to what you have drawn out already. It is not difficult to achieve. So this is exactly how to achieve a square toe sew from a round toe sew. Okay, so if you have any question regarding to this, just let me know. This is what we have. Okay, so the shape is nice. I like it the way it is. I don't want it to be thinner than this. You can make yours more closer than my own. Okay, so go ahead, use your pattern to trace your sews from your marco and everform. So if you have any question, drop it in the comment section. Subscribe, share for others to watch and learn. See you.